Hi, this is Jason Dasher with Capital Solutions, commercialtruckforlease.com. Today we're going to talk about, this is going to be a little bit longer of a video, but there's some good stuff in here. What I'm going to talk about is, if you have bad credit and you want a commercial truck financing, where should you go under what circumstances? So I'm going to kind of gloss over this quickly because there's a lot of stuff in here. Let's say your credit isn't terrible. You got some slow pay, maybe some derogatories from way back when, but it's not terrible. No bankruptcies, repossessions, or any of that kind of stuff. You're looking pretty decent. If you know you have that kind of credit, where do you go for that? You go to a dealer. They're a captive finance company. Will still probably pick you up. Your bank might do it also, but you have relatively good credit if that's your only problem. Some slow pay and dated derogs. If you have recent slow pay or current lates, we're starting to move down in the pecking order of credit here, as you can see. Where do you go if that's the case? You can go to a dealer, but with a good credit cosigner. I am hearing that is often enough to push it over. Again, your credit's not terrible, but your slow pay is recent, and you might have a current late on something insignificant. I mean, if it's on another commercial truck or something like that, you might have a bigger problem, but if you're currently late on your bass boat or something like that, it's not going to kill you. Try to find a good, strong credit cosigner. Try the dealer first. I think you might have decent luck there. Moving down, charge-offs and a bankruptcy from years ago. These are all kind of like the same kind of thing. That's getting a little tougher, and you're going to be a little bit more limited on where you go. So if you have that, you might go to a smaller dealer, Joe's Truck Sales type of thing, or an independent financing company, which is what we are. Again, if your only problem is a charge-off or a bankruptcy from 10 years ago, I don't know if you would call me yet. You might try one of these smaller dealers. They might carry you, or they might have some independent financing companies that might work with you. If you have recent bankruptcies, repossessions, your credit's bad, that's when you go to a private financing company, more like us, really, or a private seller, which I've discussed in another video. Private sellers are good. There's a lot of them out there selling their trucks, but the two problems with that: one, you've got some titling exposure there that could really get you into world hurt, so be sure you look into that. Maybe I'll make a separate video for that one, actually, because you got to really cover your rear end on that, on private seller deals. But if you do that, they're not going to look at your credit. They just want payments or something, and you buy it from them. If that's not an option, come to me or somebody like me, a private financing company, where we can work with basically any credit because we're based on additional collateral. So that's another way of doing it. That's it. Bad credit truck financing, commercialtruckforlease.com. If you want more information, give me a call, and we can talk about it. Good luck to you.